Hello there, Algebra 2 students. This is Mr. Kashi speaking. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get some data that we're going to be using in our stats projects. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to my website, as you can see front and center here. And if you need to pause this video at any time, obviously you can pause it whenever you need to or rewind it. Make sure you're doing all the steps correctly. So on the left hand side, I have a whole bunch of links here, and what you need to do is you have to click on Algebra 2 websites. Okay, right now there might be more than this of what you see because I'm still going to be adding to this, but the one that you need to do is you need to click on data set selection. Okay, and that is a direct link that you can take a look. These are the only links that we're going to be used to get data for our projects. Okay, and so I tried to find a site that had a wide variety of topics. They have everything from baseball salaries to European movie price and price of electricity and price of gasoline and some other demographics here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the price of gasoline. Now this site has a heck of a lot of numbers on it. Okay, and a lot of these have a lot more data than we'd ever need. Okay, so what we're going to do, so it's when you click on the link, it's going to download an Excel file. Even if you're on a Chromebook, there should be an extension to download the Excel file. Okay, and then you have a lot of numbers here. Okay, and what we need to do is in our project, we're only going to be dealing from anywhere from 10 to 20 numbers. Okay, we're not going to do any more than 20. We're not going to do any less than 10. So if you are on a desktop or a laptop, you need to click the enable editing, and then what you need to do is you need to basically select what you're going to do. So I would advise against going across here and doing the months because from month to month it doesn't fluctuate a whole lot. So what I would do is I would do about 20 years. So 32 down to 12, so I'll go 84 to 2004. And so that is the data that I'm going to use right there. Okay, and so I need to save that data. So I need to take that, right click, copy, and then I would probably paste that over somewhere out there. And price of gasoline, you could copy over as well. And then you could really just take all this and delete it, because this is all we need right here. These are your numbers. Okay, and so you can put that back up front. So this is from January, but that doesn't really interest us a whole lot. Okay, but this is the data set, and this is what these are your this is your set of data that you need to use for all of your different graphs for the project. So everything from your measures of central tendency all the way through all the graphs of the histogram and things like that. So what you need to do is you need to save this somehow, whether it's on your Chromebook or if it's on through Google Drive, or you need to save this in a spot that you know you are able to look it up later. So I would save it. I'm going to save it in my Google Drive, and I'll just keep it as the price of gasoline right there. Hit save. Now I'm going to be using this later on in my Excel documents, but those will be videos later on to come. Okay, so make sure that you have 10 to 20 data points, or 10 to 20 numbers, and we're going to be using this data throughout the course of our project.